Hello, here I'm going to show you how to install the app and use it. So first you go to the link provided and here you can see the installation file, the refinery AML app install. So you can download this file and I have also downloaded this input file to show how this app works. So I put this file, these two files into this folder and I go to the MATLAB and I am in the same folder. Here I can just click on this file and hit on the install and it's installed in the app. So you go to the drop down menu and you can see the refinery installed. So click on it and the app gets started. So at the beginning you can see at the top I have the option about. So if you click on that it will show the link of the paper. So if you click on that it will send you to the paper uh, which I've used by this app to perform the refinement. There's also other options. So first we have to load mesh. This mesh need to be generated externally. You can provide the nodal distribution and connectivity matrix from the MATLAB M file. I have also created the options for the Abacus input file. So if you have the Abacus input file, you can just read it directly. So here the input file name, if you hit on the select, you can see it shows the files available. So here I can see the sample.ini and I click on it and I can hit the load mesh and the app will load the mesh. That includes the nodal distribution and the connectivity matrix. So this is the mesh. This is how it looks like. So next I can go to perform the predefined. So this is done following the paper I've shown before. So this is the element number, this is the first element, this is the second element, this is the third element, and it goes on. This is the refinement order. You can start refining by 4 or 3 or 2. That it's all 8 node brick elements, so there is no point of having one. So it starts from 2, 3, and 4. So if you hit perform refinement, the app will do the refinement. So it's refining the mesh. So this would be the fourth order element, and there are transition elements and second order elements that coming. You can also hit the reduce graphics overhead if you don't want to see the plot. That way it would be a bit faster. Finally, the refinement is done, and you can see the refined mesh in this plot. It's obvious that the element started from the fourth order and it gradually goes through transition elements to become the first order at this end. So after you are done with the refinement, you can hit the save option. And this save option will provide all the information of the mesh. I will go through details of how this can be read. So first you have the nodal distribution refined, which basically are the nodal coordinates of the refined mesh. As you can see, there are 884 nodes. It has the connectivity matrix refined. So here you can see the connectivity. So just to give an example, element 1 here, it has only 34 nodes. So it stops at 34. After there is a 0. So again is 0 for element 5. Element 4 is fourth order. I think it's element 3. So the element 3 has 125 node, which is the fourth order element. You also have the element information. So this is a structure which includes all the information of the element. For example, it has the shape element, which is 125 by 125 by 223 matrix. It's a big matrix. So there are 223 types of elements that I put in the app. And you can also see the types of element from this NNP elemental. For example, the first type is the 8 node element. The second type is the 9 node. Third type is the 10, 11, 13, 27, 28, 29, and it goes on up to 125 of 16. So all of these elements refer to the elements I have derived here. So there are transition elements, and if you go to the table, so all of these elements, number of nodes corresponding to these elements derived in this paper. After that, there are some more elements which are not included in the paper. Just to let you know that this is an tetrahedron element linear. This is the tetrahedron of second order tetrahedron element. This is a wedge element. This is a second order wedge, and this is the 20 node brick element. But from 17 to 23 is not used. So it has all the information basically of the element. And finally, you may also want to just refine all the elements. So you go to the all elements. Let me just do it again because this is not activated. Right now it's activated. So you can also refine all elements. So if you hit the perform refinement, it will basically make all element fourth order. And this is how it looks like. So similar way, if you hit save, you have all the information. Right now you have 4,913 nodes, and you have connectivity matrix, all of them as 125 nodes per element. So this is the overview. Some additional things, you can also just read Abacus input file using this app too if you want. You can also import sets. So in Abacus you have the option sets. So for example, if you have set S1 or some more set, you can also import that from here. And the performance only can be done if it's 8 node brick element. So that is all. Thanks.